Hey everyone, Daniel here, and today we're checking out the EUFY Indoor Cam 2K. Let's see if this little guy lives up to the hype. Most Anchor products have a security code on the packaging to verify the authenticity. You can verify your item on Anchor website using the code found on this label. The box itself is sleek and minimal, just like the EUFY brand, and we can see some of the features available. Live view and recording history, advanced AI for human and pet detection, and smart alert notifications. Some more features are also listed here. The camera works with voice control, compatible with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Alexa. Two-way audio, speak directly to anyone within the immediate area. 2K resolution, see exactly what is going on in any room in picture-perfect 2K clarity. Smart detection zones, customize the areas in which the camera will detect motion so you can only receive the alerts you care about. A clear view at night, night vision for continued surveillance in low light settings. Inside, we've got everything we need. The camera itself, a power adapter, mounting screws, and a quick start guide. No unnecessary clutter, which I appreciate. The EUFY camera is designed with cutting-edge features to provide exceptional surveillance and ease of use. Let's take a closer look at the camera itself and the additional components included in the box. When you open up the box, you'll find a few things inside. If you're planning to mount the camera on the wall or ceiling, you'll be happy to know that the box also includes some mounting screws. Next, you'll find the power adapter and the power cable. These will ensure that your camera stays up and running, ready to keep an eye on things for you. With these tools, you can have the camera running constantly. You'll also come across a mounting plate. This plate is not only useful for attaching the camera to a wall or ceiling, but it also offers a flexible range of angles to position your camera just the way you want it. It's great for finding the perfect vantage point to monitor your space effectively. Lastly, you'll see the EUFY Indoor camera itself, which is the star of the show. It's a sleek and compact device that can capture all the important moments happening in your home. The EUFY Indoor camera has a simple white body with rounded edges and a black gloss face. The stem of the camera is also white, with a flat base where you can find the QR code for pairing. There is also an input slot for an SD card located on the side of the camera. The back of the camera has two inputs, a reset button on the left side and the power connector. The speaker is located on top. Let's try to power it up using a power bank just to perform pairing and setup. Let's open the EUFY app, and in this case, we're going to add a new device. So I'm going to select the plus sign here, and then we're going to find the type of camera that we want to add. Here we go, wired camera, then indoor cam, select that. Next we have to plug in our device and we have to wait for the light to turn solid blue. Press next. We scan the QR code on the bottom of this cam. We're just going to hit that and then quickly scan this off. Once you do that, flip it around to the back and there is a setup button which you have to press and hold until you hear a beep. So we say, yes, I heard a beep, and then it's going to connect to the camera using Bluetooth. Now, just pick your wireless network, put in the password and connect to the Wi-Fi network. Next, device placement. You can just figure out where you want it. It's just talking about placement as to where it's going to be. On a shelf or on a wall or ceiling. This will walk you through the installation process. I'm going to skip that because it's really just going to sit on a table. Here we have kids' room. I'm going to press play just to make sure that that's working, and that's all set. The EUFY Indoor Cam 2K offers remarkable features typically found in higher-priced cameras, such as its high-definition resolution and AI-driven motion and sound detection. Therefore, considering its $42.99 price tag, the EUFY Indoor Cam 2K provides exceptional value. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.